Today, I'm going to teach you how to use JotForm's date reservation widget. This is a really useful tool if you need to let people book appointments, reserve dates, or schedule events directly through your forms. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need access to your JotForm account to create and customize forms. After logging in, you'll land on your JotForm dashboard. Look toward the upper left panel of the screen, where you'll see a button labeled Plus Create. Click on that button. This opens up the form creation menu, giving you access to all the different types of forms and templates JotForm offers. From the options that appear, click on Form. You'll then be prompted to choose how you want to start building your form. Select Start from Scratch, and then choose Classic Form. This gives you a blank canvas to work with, which is perfect for adding custom widgets like the date reservation tool. Now that your blank form is open, focus on the left panel of the screen. Click on Add Element. This section contains all the fields, widgets, and tools you can add to your form. From here, click on the Widgets tab. This is where JotForm keeps its specialized tools that go beyond basic form fields. In the Widgets tab, you'll see a search box at the top. Type date reservation into the search box to quickly locate the widget you need. Once it appears in the results, click on it to add the date reservation widget directly to your form. The widget will now appear in your form builder. With the widget added, it's time to customize it. Click on the widget settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear or wrench symbol. In the right panel that opens up, look for the option labeled Days Limit. This setting allows you to control how far in advance people can reserve a date. Type in your preferred number of days based on your needs. Next, click the gear icon again, which represents the Properties section. Here, you can adjust the width and height of the widget if needed to ensure it fits nicely within your form layout. This step is important for maintaining a clean, professional appearance. Now navigate to the Advanced tab within the Properties panel. Locate the Field Label option. This is where you can add a custom label that will appear above the widget on your form. Type something clear and descriptive, like Reserve a Date, so users know exactly what they're supposed to do. Once you've finished customizing the widget, it's time to test it. Click the Preview Form button at the top of the page. This opens a live preview of your form, allowing you to interact with the date reservation widget and make sure it's working as expected. Test the date selection and make sure everything functions smoothly. When the form works as desired and you're happy with the setup, click the Publish button. This will generate a shareable link or embed code that you can use to distribute your form via email, social media, or directly on your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up and customized JotForm's date reservation widget, making it easy for people to book dates directly through your form. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.